Welcome to my YouTube channel, whereby I'm requesting for subscription. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. As we continue, I want to teach you or to give you an idea on how to download video from Facebook, whereby using your phone you go to Play Store. You go to Play Store and I want you to download a certain app which is known as downloader for Facebook. You type downloader on Facebook or copy as it is in my phone. You note that we have a lot of the downloader apps, but my option is video downloader for Facebook, which is already installed in my phone. So on my case, since it is installed, I have no other way but to leave as it is, because I want you to have it in your phone. Thereafter, go back to your phone and open Facebook. When you open Facebook, I want you to choose, or we are opening Facebook to choose a video that you'd like to download. When I click on the videos, Facebook videos, they are found here. I click there. You know that there are videos here like this one. I would like to download this one. I'll click on the three dots, then I copy the link. After copying the link, I'll automatically go to my downloaded app, the downloader for Facebook. Then I open it. Then I paste the link. You know that the link has already been pasted. For me, it is to click download, which is the option has already been made for me. So my option now it is to download the video for it to be installed in my phone memory. You can choose these options. There is HD video download, we have SD video download, we have audio download. For me, I'll go with SD video download. Then I'll click here